Part 2. Types of plastic molding. Number 1. Extrusion molding. Number 2. Compression molding. Number 3. Plastic casting. Number 4. Injection molding. Number 5. Blow molding. Number 6. Rotational molding, commonly called as rotomolding. Number 7. Thermoforming. Above 7 types of molding are basic molding. There could be subsections or subtypes of those moldings. Let us see all these 7 types of moldings in detail. 1. Extrusion molding. In extrusion molding, the molten plastic material will be extruded through a particular die to get required shape and size in length. It is used to make simple parts with fixed cross-sectional profile like square, circle, hexagon, etc. and then cut into the required length. Applications: plastic hose, straw, pipe, gutters, deckings, etc. 2. Compression molding. This method involves the preheated raw plastic placed into a heated mold and then being compressed together to form the desired shape. The high temperature of the entire process ensures good strength in the final product. The process is finished off by cooling the liquid plastic so that it keeps its form before being trimmed and removed from the mold. Applications: small auto parts, bottle closures, etc. 3. Plastic casting. Casting process involves introducing a liquefied plastic into a mold and allowing it to solidify. In contrast to molding and extrusion, casting relies on atmospheric pressure to fill the mold rather than using significant force to push the plastic into the mold cavities. Casting includes a number of processes that take a monomer powder or solvent solution and pour them into a mold. They transition from liquid to solid by either evaporation, chemical action, cooling, or external heat. The final product can be removed from the mold once it solidifies. Applications: plastic solid parts where dimensions are not very important. 4. Injection molding. Plastic material is extruded and injected into the mold, which is cooled while staying between punch and cavity to get the required shape. Applications: precision auto parts, closures and furnitures etc. 5. Blow molding. Plastic material is extruded into tube form and then the tube is placed in the mold and air is blown into it to get the required shape. Applications: plastic hollow parts. 6. Rotational molding. It is commonly known as rotomolding as well. This method involves the resin or liquid being placed inside the mold and then being rotated at high speeds. The liquid then evenly covers the entire surface of the mold to create a hollowed part with all the wall evenly thick. After the mold is cooled and the liquid plastic has taken its new form, applications: water storage tanks, big dust bins, road cones, road barriers etc. 7. Thermoforming. It is a manufacturing process where a thin plastic sheet is heated to a peelable forming temperature, formed to a specific shape in the mold, and trimmed to create a usable product. Applications: disposable food containers, disposable cups etc.